Now, this would be how you would join if the teacher has not added you, but you need to add the code yourself. So if you're going on from your home computer and not from a school district Chromebook, this is what you would have to do. And I'll also show you how to do it from a Chromebook. So as you can see, I'm not in Distance Learning 2020, so I need to join that classroom. So I'm going to click this plus button up here in the top right corner, and it will ask me to enter the code. So I'm going to enter the code that the teacher gave me. There it is. And I'm going to join. Make sure I'm signed into my Cheltenham account when I'm doing that. So here I am, and I'm back in.